Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma, hynne sngi Plie Paidbah ya Indo Sports Hall Lummawbah apa Shillong, ryngkat jingdonlang MLA barim Jylla baderu Nongai buit jong Myntri Rangbah ba Hamlet Dohling badru nongialam shnong. Ya ke Indo Sports Hall ateh jinglut bakot shaka Klur shiteng lyngba skim kabawan ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs jong sorkar pdeng. Ladonlang ru hakene sngi naduh Chief Engineer ke State Sports Council nongialam shnong ke Lummawbah badru nongialam juga Lummawbah Sports and Cultural Club bad Plie Paidbah nongshong shnong.
Out here to thank the people who have made this particular infrastructure a possibility. Our former minister, Hamlet, Dohling, was the key person to push this particular project along with Daniel and the members of the society, along with the members of the Dorbar, and it is because of their hard work, it is because of their dedication, and because of the blessings from the Almighty that we have finally seen this very, very long pending demand of the people of Lummawbah finally fructifying and seeing the light of day. So on behalf of all the people present out here, I would like to thank all the stakeholders, especially Hamlet and Dohling, for having taken the initiative to make this particular place a possibility. I would request that we should give a round of applause to him and to others who have made this happen. I'm also happy to see